Today, I'm going to show you how to create images of yourself in different styles for your YouTube thumbnails without going to a studio to take one. So I'm going to use this image to generate images like this one and this one. So you can use the same formats to generate as many images as possible for your thumbnails. So let's go to our browser and type gemini.google.com. All right. I'll leave the link in the description. So when you hit enter, so now that we are in our account, we go over to tools, then we select create images. Then we come back here to upload the image that we want to change the style. So now that we have uploaded this image, I'll come here and say this, I'll come here and say the person in the image is Kenneth. Do you understand? So it will say, yes, I do understand the person in the image is Kenneth. How can I help you with Kenneth? So the next thing I'm going to give her the prompt. So here is the prompt. I'll say create a digital photograph of Kenneth wearing casual gray black t-shirt, standing against plain dark background. All right. So this prompt, I'm going to make it available for you. So you can still change this prompt to anything that you want, anyhow you want the image to look. Okay. So if I click on submit, you see, so we have this image of Kenneth. All right. Now we can say remove the background. All right. We want to remove the background and leave it in plain white background. So we say no, we say change. So you see, we have gotten this image in plain white background and we have it here as well. All right. So now you can use this image and go to CapCut or Canva to create your thumbnail. Then the next one we wanted to create is the one that I'm showing surprise. So I'll put another prompt. So this prompt says, maintain my looks, but change the style to me showing surprise, wearing plain black t-shirt. All right. I'll still leave this one in the description. So you can still manipulate it to whatever you want to generate more images. So I click on submit. And you see, here we have another photo of me. So, so you can download all these images and use it for your thumbnails. If you find this video interesting, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.